In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can see your blocked list on Instagram. So once you're on your Instagram homepage, you want to go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon on the bottom right hand corner. Then once you're on your profile, you want to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right. Then you want to tap on settings and then privacy. You want to scroll a little bit down to where it says connections, and then you can see it says blocked accounts. You tap on blocked accounts and now you can see a list of all the people that you have blocked on this Instagram profile. And if you want to go ahead and unblock a specific person, you can just tap the unblock button next to their name. So that is how you see your blocked list on Instagram. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.